Hey beautiful biscuits. How are you today? I'm leaning forwards because I realize this is kind of a weird camera angle. How are you? So I'm getting back, like I said in my previous video, into yoga and fitness and a little Pilates stuff just at home. I don't want to pay the money to be in a gym. I canceled that a couple of years ago, my gym membership, and I miss working out. Oh yes, but I want to kind of slowly get back into it. Oh yeah. So I have been having terrible migraines that have been, I don't know if it's making my neck sore or if my neck tightness is triggering my migraines, but just relentless. It's been going on since the end of December. And I have a chiropractic appointment coming up. I'm going to see if that helps. Just none of my normal stuff works for it. So part of what's drawing me back to yoga is body comfort. Hello, my beautiful girl. Are you my yoga assistant? Yes, you are. Oh, yeah. And, you know, between breastfeeding and weird angles and co-sleeping and yes, Dada milks, oh my love. And co-sleeping and weird neck angles and just being my gargoyle typing on my computer, my work from home life. I think I've just crunched up my shoulders and neck, and I need to just lengthen and expand all these tight tendons and muscles as I also gain strength back. So I'm going to do kind of a whole combination of different fitness forms as I go on that journey. I even put on the yoga onesie once more. I can't remember when was the last time I tossed this puppy on. I honestly don't know. I'm trying to pull it up in the back so it doesn't like show my bone crack. Even though the plumber special is a handsome look on, I'm just finding weird crumbs on the carpet, pretend that I vacuumed. On some folks trying to do that out here. Hello, my love. I love you, strudel poodle. If you want less distracted, kids aren't in the video, great self-care yoga, you can hop on over to my Patreon. I do good videos on there, and I actually have an entire OnlyFans also dedicated to yoga, Pilates, high intensity interval training, workout. We do lots of photos. I do some videos on there. So that's OnlyFans / Rose Kelly, and that is just my fitness course. So if you want like an entire course on my fitness exercises, hi my love. Yes. That is a great one to do. Yes. And if you want more of the self-care vibe with some fitness, then my Patreon is totally for you. But I know I get asked the difference between those questions as I talk because I'm just blabbing. I am kind of actually stretched. So I'm just going to do a little chest open. Man, I can tell how tight I am because when I went into this naturally, I was like this. And normally that's not the position I would be in. Oh. Yeah. Boy, biscuits, it is going to take me a while to get back to any form of fitness, because there was a while there where I was stretching every day. I was going to the gym maybe 4 days a week. I was just getting a lot more exercise. I'm also going to try out low impact swimming exercises because this is so tight. I really feel like I need to get back to things that stretch and pull and slowly tone and not try to do anything too crazy and intense. Hello, my love. So I'm just going to get into butterfly. I don't know if you can see this pose. So here is this tight neck and shoulder area. And honestly, I can feel it in my whole body. I feel it neck all the way down to my legs. And I think that when you're having this kind of tightness, if you're suffering from tension headaches, migraines, and you feel like a lot of body tightness that might be triggering that, it's really a full body stretch. That's what I've discovered. Is it's everywhere from making sure that my eyes aren't strained, because that can trigger it, to my muscles aren't so tight that every time I move I'm sore. And that's kind of what I'm getting back to. I want a level ground in my health of just feeling really good in my body, in my muscles, in my structure. Oh, hello. Are you doing downward dog? Good job. Okay, so I'm going to stretch my arms, my tight arms. Oh my goodness. Breastfeeding does the number on our bodies, mamas. I know I haven't talked a lot about my breastfeeding journey because there were a bunch of perverts on YouTube that kept threatening me and sending creepy messages, and it made me not want to share. But you know what? I'm back. 2023 is the year where I say heckity poo to the naysayers and all the trolls. I'm just going to cover topics that I love, which includes my whole breastfeeding journey and my parenting journey as a mother. I'm just going to talk about it more. I'm not going to... You'll notice the kids are in the vlogs a little bit more. Oh, Bubba sometimes their entire arm. And I'd really been avoiding putting them on because I just had such vicious trolling. And I realized I was living in a day-to-day thing of like fear of these trolls and of mean, terrible, nasty comments and weird photos people were sending me on Instagram. And I don't want to live from that place. I want to live from a place of abundant joy. And to do that, you know, so much of my work-home life is mixed in because you guys see these vlogs. And I don't want to, now I'm stretching my shoulders. I don't want to live from a negative place anymore. Yes! I want to live from happiness. Hey, Bubba Goo, you gotta move though. That's, remember, Mommy's talking to the biscuits. So I'm sharing kind of part of how I'm getting my body to be less sore. So let's not do that. Okay, ready, biscuits? I'm gonna stretch my neck. So to do this slowly, here, my love, I'm gonna scoot you here. Abraham, you need to scoot off a little bit. You can do this exercise with me. I'm pulling my shoulders down, engaging my core, and then slowly stretching my neck. I'm not pulling on my head or anything. Yeah, do you want to sit down and try this one? Yeah. And you know, part of what tells me this is back tightness is I'm feeling that tightness all the way down. Yeah. I know self-care offends you, my love. So chin down. And I'm not tucking my chin, I'm trying to elongate and stretch. Slow this way. Careful not to pull anything because I'm so starting out on this journey again. Oh, hey, my love. Thank you. I have no idea what of that you saw, biscuits, because my chin was down. So I'm going to show you again. I'm going to try to keep my eyes open so I can see where she is. Oogie. And in butterfly pose, now again, modify this for what feels comfy for you. Don't try to hurt yourself or do anything that's actually painful. Good job, yeah, stretchies. Because that is not helpful in your fitness journey. Your fitness journey, your moving your body journey, right, isn't about suffering and pain. It's about making your body feel better. Your day-to-day life should be more comfortable. So I'm rotating my hips under so you can see that my feet went from in front. Oh my goodness. So they went from in front to behind my tuchus. And I'm stretching into this. Okay, my biscuits, you guys have to back up a little bit. Respect mama's space and boundaries, right? Which you guys are not doing right now. Ooh. I'm stretching into that. Now I'm stretching forwards. Biscuits, I've gotten really close to the camera as I try to save it. So let me stretch back into that. And I'm stretching my whole body now. Hi, my love. Do you want to stretch with me? Yeah. Yeah, come stretch with me. And if you biscuits have watched my like 4 or 5 years ago Yoga videos, you'd be like, oh man, she's really out of shape. Yes, I am. And I'm okay with sharing that. I know that some YouTubers like won't share until they're back in shape. I'm just sharing my journey. This is my, you know, my daughter is just now 2. It's taken me 2 years to get back into fitness. Maybe a little more actually because her pregnancy was so hard health-wise. Hi, my love. I'm gonna do, this has nothing to do with my neck, but I love this stretch. It is like my favorite, excuse me, darling, stretch because it feels so good on my body. It stretches out tight legs and arms. Oh, I'm just gonna do that for comfort. Okay, now I'm doing, they used to call this the pancake move in gymnastics. When I was a kiddo, maybe Abraham's age, I did gymnastics, which was great because I'm hyper flexible, but terrible because I was way too tall and just kind of wimpy. Like I'm not. Gymnasts are muscular, amazing goddesses of strength. That is not who I want. Oh yeah. So as I'm stretching here, and back here, and my legs, what I wouldn't normally be focusing on is my neck. Giga, giga, giga. But do you want some milkies? Come here. Want some milkies? We're going to do a modified pose here for milk milks. So normally I wouldn't care about focusing on my neck, but because I've been having these headaches and I need to loosen them up, I'm going to at the same time, normally my arm would be out here, but I'm trying to hold her and keep things from popping on screen. I'm stretching my arm and then I'm bringing it back down in a good arch without hurting. Nope. Sometimes you gotta drink from both sides. And I am pulling my arm and neck apart just with my own strength, not like tugging on or anything. And I'm letting that stretch in. Whoop. Sorry, I poked you in the eyeball.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Poked her in the eyeball. I was just trying to keep things covered, to be polite. Yes. People get scandalized by nursing. Oh. Okay, let's do this side too. I'm just kind of stretching my back as we do this because I'm so tight. Okay, so arm this way. Hello, how are you? This way, and then elongate my neck. Oh, gentle. I love you. Are you my girl? Yes. Are you doing next too? You want to stretch like this?
Yeah.
Okay, stretch like this. Ready? Ready, set. Neck and head. Ooh, one. Ooh, two. Do you feel that on our necks?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, I love you. Oh, do I get a back scratch? Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. So these are just simple little ways that I know I gotta keep my top on, but I'll give Milky's in a moment, that I am trying to stretch out my whole body with a focus on what is, even though it's the whole body, what's helping my neck for these, migraines that I've been getting, because they've just been whooping my tuckus, and I need to figure out a way that will be helpful, and these are really, really helpful. Now, another thing you can do is get into a good position. You want your legs to be kind of hip width apart. I can feel how wimpy my core has gotten, biscuits. Oh my goodness, embarrassing. Not embarrassing to be out of shape, but embarrassing to my feeling of myself that I haven't taken care of myself. You know what I mean? Like, it's not, a certain clothing size. It's, I haven't been doing enough self-care to take care of myself. So like this, dipping head, curling back. Stretching, making sure I'm feeling stretching in my neck and spine. And as I stretch my neck, I'm pushing my hips in the same direction. So, nothing complicated, nothing crazy. Always talk to a medical professional when you're getting something started, if you have any high risks. There are a ton of great YouTubers that are professional fitness fanatics that know all the technical details. That is not me. I'm just a mama of two getting back, hello my love, into my wellness and fitness journey. You know, I love my body. I feel good about my body aesthetically. But I feel like internally, I need to, engage those muscles. I need to work on my flexibility because of soreness. I need to tend to myself and spend time centering my mind as much as my body. Oh my! Which is always an interesting experience with kids in tow. So biscuits, I will see you over on Patreon. I'll see you over on the fitness course. Let me know which is your favorite. Do you prefer kind of like self-care mixed in with a little bit of fitness, or like 100% all wellness and body movement fitness? I would love to know. I'll see you in the next video.